Hi guys, welcome. Today we are going to see what an observable collection is. It is been used a lot in the WPF, but it is used is not only restricted to WPF. We can use it anywhere, wherever we are using our dotted framework collections. Okay, so what an observable collection is, if I go by a normal MSDN documentation, it represents a dynamic data collection that provides notification when the item gets added, removed, or when the whole list is refreshed. So suppose you have a list of item. The list of item may be something called it might be your grocery list, okay, where you have something corn flour, you have your um, uh, like a lot of stuffs, your foods. Okay, so suppose from that grocery list take one item out of it and some notification gets popped up, and to your some kind of events get generated against every removal or every add. So let's look into a demo how it is happening. So what I have created, I have created one just console application. Okay, this is the main class of the console application, and here I'll be creating one observable collection of string. Look, it already gives me the IntelliSense, and it resides in the namespace of the system.collection.object model. So I will just put it, and there is a spelling mistake. Okay, so let me take the list of the Harry Potter books that released till date. So suppose the first book was the Philosopher's Stone. The second book was Chamber of Secrets. And the third book was uh, Prisoner of Azkaban. Okay, so we have this list of ours, okay, where we have three of these books. Now let's add another book and remove one of the books. So what I'll be doing is I'll be taking this Harry Potter collection and add the next book, that was the Goblet of Fire. And then I will remove another book, Harry Potter collection dot remove. Look, at another characteristics of observable collection is you can very well add or remove, or the insert, add, those kind of stuffs that are in the list, you can very well use it in the observable collection itself. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just removing this second book, that is a Chamber of Secrets, and then I will just enumerate it and print it out. How I will do it is the for each where Harry Potter book in Harry Potter books collection. So what I will do is I will be doing one console dot write line, and I will simply print the Harry Potter book. Okay, so now what is the specialty of observable collection in this whole process? So what observable collection does is, if we just do this, so let's see if any events is available or not. As while discussing the MSDN document, we said that itself that provides notification when items get added, and the notification means definitely the kind of events that we have. Okay, so let's see if we have any events over there or not. Look, there is an event called collection change, and how to wear up this event. So I'll be just pairing up this event, and you see, I have created this delegate for that event, and just let me generate the method against this one. So you see, just make it a little more bit readable. Like when I wire up this event, this particular method is being called. Okay, and it has a void return type. So let's see what is happening, because we are doing both adding and removal over here. So let's set a breakpoint over there, and let's see how it is happening. Okay, so for that, what I will be doing is I'll be just going to my project and start a new instance of this. Okay. Okay, so now I could see that there is one. Yeah, now I could see there is this particular event is being fired. Okay, and there is some previous breakpoints are there. So let's see what it has in store. So we could see the action is add. So the first action that it encounters is the adding. Okay, so the moment it is encountering this adding, it is just giving us this one. Okay, this action is add, and what items it also tells that too. If I go to the new items, so action definitely adding something means a new item addition. And if I just refresh the list of the result view, I could see this goblet of fire. Okay, so look, I'm it gives me a notification, and even the item which is there, so I can very well get hold of the item which is being added over there. And let's see if I go ahead whether I get the other one, that is the removal, or not. So let me press F10, and the moment I hit remove, the uh, the the next thing that should happen, it should wear up this event. So yeah, and yes, it is doing it. And if I refresh this, you could see there is remove, and it is and what it is saying, that it is there is some old items, there is no new item. Okay, so in the old items I could see the chamber of secrets. So this is the way I could very well get whatever the stuffs that are being added in my list, and a particular notification is being fired. So so in this fashion we could use our observable collection. Okay, so if you have any question, please post it in the comments of the video. I will try my level best to answer it. Thank you very much for your time, and I think this video helps you. Happy coding. Have a good time.